Hey, we're here at the Natchez Trace Parkway near Tupelo, Mississippi at one of our Blackland Prairie remnant sites. And we are very proud of the work that we've been doing here to preserve this very special place. As you can see from here, all kinds of wildflowers, all kinds of life is happening here that is a remnant from decades, centuries ago, when the landscape looked more open like this. And the work that we've been doing is girdling eastern red cedar trees, like this one here, cutting back understory shrubs, and pack and squirting. And it's important to thin out these kind of trees and select the ones that we want. We want to keep oaks, we want to keep hickories, we want to keep anything that's older and has a big broad crown, like these trees behind me here, that show that they've been here a long time and have been part of this savanna prairie ecosystem landscape. And we're doing all of this for guys like this bumblebee and for guys like this rosinweed right here. So we're just very proud of the work that we've been doing here, and we're very happy to be doing this work and protecting and preserving all of this kind of life.